Remember say you did say you have one place.
Oh yeah man, me still the room there, same way.
We are gonna make some rules now.
What do you mean I make rules? This is not your house. You forget?
Oh, we forget to tell her. I'm my name on the list now.
And Mr. Roxanne, I think you need to talk to him because he's a very intense person. He come on to money.
How fashion is?
It don't matter. What you do?
Roxanne, I'm money having in my house. So
When
make sure
you stop treating me like a child.
when you start act like an adult and pay bills. You need to get your act together. It's been a year since me tell you say yo, get a work, help me pay bills then. Are you rent a place now? I not pay one bill then. Just be honest with me. You have a job?
A woman me name. Me can't suffer. So if me tell you say I have it under control and make a find a job, I have it under control and make a find a job. Why you need to do all of that?
Yeah, woman and you can't pay your bills then.
Well, my mother recently...
No bother with the foolishness. No bother with the foolishness. Roxanne, me I'm not idiot, you know. Me know see your mother well alive. She alright.
Oh, Alton. Me I tell you my mother recently dropped out. Oh, because me and me.
No, you're not my man. You're my broke roommate.
Yeah, me are killing me.
Back up, wait. What you mean you're killing?
Yeah, the two of you are killing me.